Adding a ConvertKit landing page to WordPress is straightforward with ConvertKit's integration. Here's how. Create a landing page in ConvertKit. Log into your ConvertKit account and go to the Landing Pages and Forms section. Select Landing Pages and choose a template. Customize it with your text, images, and branding, then save it. Install the ConvertKit WordPress plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for ConvertKit. Install and activate the plugin. Connect ConvertKit to WordPress. In WordPress, navigate to Settings, ConvertKit, and input your ConvertKit API key, available in your ConvertKit account under Settings, Account Settings. Embed the landing page. Copy the landing page's URL from ConvertKit. In WordPress, create a new page by going to Pages, Add New. Use the HTML block to embed the URL using an iframe tag, or redirect the page to the ConvertKit URL via WordPress settings. Publish your page. Save and publish your WordPress page to make the landing page live.